In today's lesson, we're going to talk about how to multiply fractions to find equivalent fractions. And there's three examples for you on the board. The first one we're starting out with is 3/10. Now, how you do this is you multiply the numerator, remember is the top number, and the denominator, the bottom number, by the same number. So our example here is 3/10. So what you do is you multiply the top number, the numerator, by 10, and you get 10 times 3, and that's 30. Then you multiply the bottom number by 10, and that's 100. So this fraction, 30/100ths, is equal to, in terms of size, even though the numbers are bigger, it's equal to 3/10, because all we did was we multiplied both numbers by 10. In our second example, we have 4/5, and so what you do here is we're going to multiply by 2 to find an equivalent fraction. So we multiply the numerator 4 by 2, and that's 4 times 2 equals 8. And then the denominator, which is 5, 5 times 2 equals 10. So 8/10 is equal to 4/5.
So you can take any number to multiply it by?
You can take any number and find the equivalent fraction. For example, if we took 4/5 and we multiplied it times 3, you'd get 12/15, which would be equal to 4/5. And in this third problem over here, you have 3/4. So we're going to multiply times 4. So you multiply 4 times 3, the numerator, and you get 12. And then you multiply the denominator times 4, 4 times 4, and you get 16ths. And you could also do the same thing here. You could multiply these by 3, and you would get 3 times 3. Imagine we changed it to 3 in both places. 3 times 3 is 9, and 4 times 3 is 12. So 9/12 is also equal to 3/4, because if you did the division and lowered it to its common terms, you'd be back to where we started with the original fraction.